Welcome to the AirDoctor Connect Setup Guide. Today, we will walk you through the simple steps to get your AirDoctor connected and ready to purify your home's air. First, make sure you have your Wi-Fi network name and password ready to connect your device. Step 1. Create an account. From your App Store, download and install the AirDoctor app. Once you open the app, on the main screen, tap Create One to do so. Follow the prompts to create your AirDoctor account. Step 2. Connect to the AirDoctor. After creating an account, you'll see the current outdoor air quality in your area, provided by IBM, the Weather Channel. Tap on the Add New Device button. Now, on your AirDoctor purifier, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the control panel until the Wi-Fi symbol starts blinking blue. Select or create a room, like a bedroom or whole home. Your phone will begin searching for your AirDoctor. Select your purifier unit and your phone will connect with your AirDoctor. Step 3. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. Your AirDoctor will now search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Choose the network you want your AirDoctor to connect to, name your device, and input your Wi-Fi network's password, then click Submit. Step 4. When your AirDoctor is fully connected, you'll see this screen. Connecting may take up to 5 minutes if an update is required. Once connected, you can begin enjoying your connected unit. And that's it. Your AirDoctor is ready to provide fresh, clean air for your home. If you need help or run into issues, don't hesitate to contact us at airdoctorpro.com/support. We're here to assist you. Enjoy the pure air experience with AirDoctor, and thank you for choosing us.